Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can use your USB port in VirtualBox. First go to this website virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads and download this extension pack. Its version is 6.1.8. The version may change depending on when you are watching this video. Now open your VirtualBox. Click on Tools, select Preference and click on Extension. Then add on this plus sign and install the extension pack you just downloaded. As you can see, mine is installed already. Now click on your virtual device. In my case it's Windows 10. Now go to its setting and click on USB. Then enable USB controller and select the USB which you want to enable. Also connect your USB device and click on add. It will show you the list of devices and select the one which you want to use in your VirtualBox. Hope this video helped you in your setup. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you later.